What's up guys, Motobreds here for Freedcon Philippines. Finally, meron ng Bluetooth capabilities connection ang GoPro Hero 12. And for today's video, papakita ko sa inyo ang audio connection between GoPro Hero 12 at Freedcon FX. Alright guys, tinetesting natin ang Bluetooth connection between Freedcon FX sa GoPro Hero 12. So, sobrang ganda ng feature na to guys, kasi if you guys have a Hero 12, hindi nyo na kailangan bumili ng mic adapter or media mod para ma-record yung boses nyo. If you have Freedcon intercoms, any model from T-Com, KY Pro, T-Max S Pro, FX, R1 Pro, up to R3, pwede nyong i-connect via Bluetooth sa Hero 12 para ito na yung gamitin yung voice recorder. So as you can see naman, wala tayong kahit anong nakakabit dito. Lahat ng boses na naririnig or recorded sa Hero 12 is straight from the Freedcon FX. Tapos guys, sa kagandahan pa, yung Freedcon intercoms ang gamit nyo na connected sa Hero 12, meron na kasing noise cancellation yung microphone ng Freedcon FX, kaya wala kayong wind noise na maririnig kahit sa high speed. So syempre guys, big shoutout sa tropa natin si The Wiwi sa pagpapahiram ng Hero 12. So guys, ganun lang kadali at kaganda ang audio connection between GoPro Hero 12 at Freedcon FX. Again guys, this is Motobreds for Freedcon Philippines. You guys ride safe and make your riding more fun.